We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar XF 2.2 luxury. It's got a lot of extras on it. It's got the front park distance control, finished in beautiful grey, full Jaguar service history. We're just going to service it and MOT it. It's got rear parking sensors as well and a camera. Literally just arrived into stock. It's got the full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, all the air vents work, come up and down, got factory satellite navigation, heated seats, aux and a USB, some 85,000 miles. It's got Bluetooth as well, navigation, electric column steering controls, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift on the gearbox. DJ's got full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.